Okay, so this is a video so that you can see how to get into eXp World with your guest pass. Okay, so what happens is that you're going to have to, you would have downloaded the eXp World link, and then you're going to open it up. And this is what you have. You're going to put your password in. You're going to put your password in, then you're going to click play. And we just wait for eXp World to do its stuff. And it takes a second here. I've got very slow internet today. So then you come to this page, which is kind of the lobby for eXp World. So we're going to go up in the upper left-hand corner here, and we're going to click Go To, and that's a list of rooms. And so we're going to scroll down, and we're going to go to Private Team Suite. We click on Private Team Suite, and then it's going to ask you for the passcode, which I have provided you. And then you're going to click Submit. And it'll just take a second here. And so here we are in our Private Team Suite. Then in the upper left-hand corner, we're going to click Go To again, and we're going to go to Boardrooms. We're going to go to Boardroom 1, and that's where our Tuesday morning meeting is. You're going to walk through here into Boardroom 1. There'll be lots of people here, and the presentations will be on the screen there where it says Find Your Home. And that's all there is to it. So it's pretty easy. Seems complicated when you're trying to get in, but in actuality, it's pretty easy. So anyway, that's how it's done.